How to disable WhatsApp locked chat secret code. So if you already set a secret code for your WhatsApp locked chat and now you want to disable it, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to disable or turn off WhatsApp locked chat secret code, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the WhatsApp application, then click on the search button and type in your old WhatsApp chat lock secret code. Then you should say locked chat, then click on that. Then you should have access to all the WhatsApp chat you locked. Then go ahead and click on settings at the top right. Once you click on settings, then you have access to hide locked chat and then set a secret code. Click on secret code. Now go ahead and click on turn off to turn off or disable the secret code. Then once you click on that use code that says turn off secret code, if you continue, locked chat will move to the chat list. You can still use Face ID or your passcode to unlock them on this device. Then go ahead and click on continue. Then you see hide lock chat disabled and then secret code turned off. Now go back to your WhatsApp chat and then on the WhatsApp chat you should have access to lock chat. Then you can now use your iPhone passcode or your Face ID to access the lock chat on your WhatsApp. So that is basically how to disable or turn off WhatsApp locked chat secret code. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.